Hi everyone, this is Sharon at Fit and Fun Food. Today you're seeing my introductory video for all of the dtube programs that need one in order for me to take advantage of what they do. One of those is run by Nathan Mars, and he's asking for 7 words that describe my blog. So here are the 7 words for Fit and Fun Food. Eat less crap, eat more nutrition, start slow, start now, don't make excuses, don't give up, the cavalry's not coming. And that is the whole entire plan of what I talk about. What I'm asking you to do is to take the food you eat now, where you are and what you're doing, and try to improve the nutrition by 10% at each meal for a given period of time. At the same time, you're removing about 10% of the garbage. And, that's not a tried and true percentage. And one example I will give you is a guy I worked with a few years ago had a big soda addiction, and he was drinking 2-liter bottles of it a couple a day. And at the beginning, he didn't want to give that up at all. And the first step we took is that he agreed if I gave him something in his lunch that he could drink, he would not drink that soda for lunch at work. And it took a couple of tries, but I found an organic soda that he actually liked, and he started drinking it. And of course, there were many other changes going on at the time. But by the time I left that place, he was on very few of those drinks. No more 2-liter bottles. He was just buying the little ones, and he was only having it a couple times a week. And I'm sure eventually he stopped completely because it was one of the bad ones. And he was on his way to health, losing weight, and doing very well. So I didn't ask him to give that soda up immediately, 100%. He wasn't going to do it. We would fight. And he had a strong personality. But I was able to have him do just that one change, which everyone would say just replacing one drink out of 2-liter bottles shouldn't do anything, but it really helped in the long run. So that's what I'm telling you. The principles of Fit and Fun Food are not to throw everything out and go paleo, vegan, keto, intermittent fasting, and anything else you want to try. We're taking what you eat today and improving it in those 2 directions. Less crap, more nutrition, just a little bit at a time, and over time your body is going to improve. It doesn't even matter if you have a high weight to worry about. No matter what your weight is, improving your food supply will improve everything, your sleep, your ability to exercise, think, and everything else. So that's what I do on this blog, and that's what I'm going to be doing. It's only a week old, and I'm really happy with the results so far. I'm very excited. I have some followers. And I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to try to do a video a day on some type of food topic, and I hope you'll follow along. Be sure to fit in fun no matter what.